Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talks. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own YouTube channel so you can start sharing your passions and content with the world. I'll also share some tips that can help make your content go viral, so let's dive in it. First, open YouTube app, then tap on you and then click on sign in, but some of you will see switch accounts on the top. So after this, click on the add accounts. So you should create a new account because it's better to create a new account. So click on create account for my personal use. I decided to speed up the video playback in order to ensure that it doesn't consume too much of your valuable time, allowing you to efficiently grasp the content. After creating your account, you'll automatically be signed into the YouTube app. Now click on Create a Channel. Now choose a profile picture that suits your preferences and style. Now choose a name for your channel and also select a handle for it. A handle typically refers to the unique identifier or username that represents the channel, often used in the channel's URL in social media links. Your YouTube account is all set up. Now I'm excited to share some tips with you that can boost your chances of going viral and reaching a wider audience. Let's begin without any hesitation. Open a browser on your phone and search for YouTube. After opening the browser, you'll find the account option at the top. Tap on it, then tap sign in to access your newly created YouTube account. Now add your newly created YouTube account here. After signing into the browser, click on the account option at the top, then scroll down and tap on YouTube Studio. Now click on Continue to Studio. Now we will adjust some settings here. Please follow these steps. Here you will see a settings option at the bottom left corner. Please click on this. Now click on Channel. Here select your country of residence and then add some keywords related to your content. This will help make your videos go viral. Keywords in YouTube settings are words or phrases that describe the content of your videos. They help YouTube understand what your videos are about and can improve the likelihood of your videos appearing in relevant search results. After that, click on Advanced Settings here. Select the option that best describes your content, whether it's made for kids or not. If your channel is not made for kids, click on this channel is not made for kids. Now open the feature eligibility option and enable these two options, intermediate features and advanced features. In intermediate features, verify your number to enable this option. In advanced features, either verify your ID or provide video verification. Now go to upload defaults and click on advanced settings. Next, select your category. In YouTube, the category is like a label that shows what your video is about. It helps people find videos on topics they like, such as gaming or cooking. Choosing the right category helps your video get seen by the right audience. And at the end, select your video language and save the settings. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more content. Got questions about the video or any other issues? Drop a comment below and I'll be sure to reply.